Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove estimated taxes on your Shopify checkout. So when your customer buy your products, it will showing the estimated taxes. So if you want to remove it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So first you can open your Shopify dashboard and then go to your settings in bottom left corner here. And then as you can see there is taxes and duties, you can click it. And then in this page you can scroll down until you find global settings and include sales tax in the product's price and shipping rate. You can deactivate it by click this one and then click save. After that, we can go to themes. So go back to Shopify dashboard and then go to online store here and then go to themes. And in my case, I'm using down theme, but if you use another theme, it doesn't matter actually. You can click three dots here in the customize button here, and then you can click edit default theme content. And in this page, this is the theme content. And as you can see, if you click more views here, you will find checkout and system. You can click it, checkout and system, and we're gonna use search box here and then you can search estimated tax and you will find here estimated tax label and by default it's blank and you can put dot here so it will not showing the estimated taxes on your checkout page and then click save. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.